In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the verification phone number in Mailchimp with this simple guide. Whether you're updating your contact details or recovering access to your account, these steps will ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and enter your username and password. If you still have access to your old phone number, you'll receive a two-factor authentication code that you need to enter to proceed. However, if you've lost access to your old number, don't worry, I'll cover what to do in that scenario later in this guide. Once logged in, your next step is to navigate to your profile settings. At the bottom left corner of your Mailchimp dashboard on a desktop, you'll find your profile avatar. Click on that and then select Profile followed by Security. In the Security Settings section, you'll see an option for Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. That's where you want to go. Now let's manage your two-factor authentication. You'll notice an option to manage two-factor authentication. Clicking on this takes you to a page displaying your current phone number under SMS verification. To update it, click on the options labeled either Remove Number or Change Phone Number. Next, it's time to add your new phone number. Be sure to enter your new mobile number along with the correct country code. For example, if you're in the Philippines, enter +63 followed by your mobile number. Mailchimp will send a 6-digit verification code to your new phone number via SMS. Simply enter this code when prompted to verify your new number, and don't forget to click Save Changes when you're done. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your verification phone number. After changing your number, it's important to reconfirm your backup options. Make sure your backup codes are up to date and re-download them if necessary. For stronger security, you might also consider connecting an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Now, if you've lost access to your old phone number and couldn't log in, here's what to do. Visit the Mailchimp login page and click on Need Help Logging In, then choose I lost access to my phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity, which may involve providing account details, billing information, or identification. Once verified, Mailchimp support will reset your two-factor authentication, allowing you to add a new phone number. Be aware that this process might take between 24 to 48 hours due to the required verification steps. And there you have it, a simple but detailed process for updating your verification phone number in Mailchimp. Please make sure to secure your account with these steps and keep everything updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content for additional tech tips.